Want to see exactly how many views your Instagram posts are getting? By default, Instagram hides these analytics, but I'm going to show you how to unlock them in under 60 seconds. Open your Instagram app and head over to your profile. If you tap on your post right now, you'll notice you can only see who liked and commented. To see your actual view count and deeper analytics, you need to enable the professional dashboard. Here's how you do it. Tap the three lines in the top right corner of your profile. Scroll down until you find account type and tools, and tap on switch to professional account. In this case, we already have a professional account. Hit continue, select any category that best describes you, and choose either creator or business. Once that's set up, head back to your profile and tap on any post. You will now see a brand new View Insights button right under the image. Tap that and you'll get a full breakdown of your accounts reached, overall views, engagement, and profile activity. One quick pro tip. To get the most accurate data, make sure you have this professional dashboard enabled before you publish your next photo or video, as it will perfectly track everything from the second it goes live. If this quick tip helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more app tutorials.